Hi travellers, so today I want to do a quick update for November just to let you know what's going on and about a couple of the upcoming reviews and videos that I'm planning to do. So as you might have seen in one of my previous videos, I did a hands-on and a quick sort of mini review of the Ebook Max backpack. Now of course I will be doing a more full and comprehensive review of that bag a bit later on, but I just want to let you know that that bag is now available on Kickstarter, and the link is in the description if you do want to support that one. Now I do have a lot of different things I want to talk about. The first thing I want to mention is that I did a hands-on with the Manal Daily 3.0 and I had the Vancouver grey version. I've just sent that one back to change it for the black version. Now I did do a poll on Instagram and it came out that the black version was the much more popular color. Everybody seemed to agree, and although I do like the grey, I do feel that the black is going to be a better color for the long-term usage. Now in terms of upcoming reviews, you can see here I have a very long list of upcoming videos and reviews that I'm going to be making. And of those, there is also that linen towel that I did talk about. I'm definitely planning to review it on very soon. The weather here has been very unusual. It's been very cold one day and then warm and then cold. So it's been a bit unpredictable. So with the warmer weather coming in this week and next week, I feel like it's a good time that I can finally get a chance to do those videos, especially with the towel reviews. So I'll just list a couple of the products upcoming, and do let me know in a comment below which of these sounds most interesting or which one you're most excited for. So the first one is the AeroPress Go, which I did mention earlier. I'm definitely going to be reviewing that one shortly. The Bellroy Transit Work Pack is another one that I'm going to be reviewing probably within the next week or two. I did post on Instagram. My Instagram is @packingless if you want to follow me there. The Low Pro Creator Box Medium and Large version. I'm going to be reviewing those ones very shortly as well. Something called the Bottle Shower. So I'll put a little cutaway video to show you what it is. It sits in the mouth of the bottle and it turns a water bottle into kind of like a shower. So this is something that I thought would be really handy if you're going to the beach, for example, or hiking. In some situations you might want to use this for like washing things or even first aid uses. Now with the A7C that I'm filming on, I'm going to be doing a microphone test of several of the different microphones that I'm using and have used, and I'll just see which one sounds best for different situations. The Sony WH-1000XM4s, those are the brand new noise cancelling headphones from Sony. I'll definitely be reviewing those ones very shortly as well. I also have these Nature Hike mats, so they're like a really thin nylon kind of plastic mat that you can use while you're hiking or camping to sort of sit on, so you're not sitting on wet grass or sandy beaches, for example. I have the small and the medium size that I'll be checking out. There's also a video that I've been planning for a while, and it's going to be something along the lines of, do you need an expensive and really high quality main backpack, or can you get away with a smaller high quality backpack and then get a cheaper larger quality backpack for traveling overseas? Because the theory is you buy like a 30 or 40 litre really high quality expensive backpack, and then you would only really use that on the plane, and then once you get to the hotel you transfer to like a small packable day pack, and then during the majority of your trip you're using a small packable day pack. So I'm just going to be walking through the sort of philosophy of one bag travel a little bit with that video, and questioning whether you actually need like a high quality larger main backpack, or whether you can get away with like a smaller high quality sling, or a small like EDC kind of 20 litre or less, like 10 litre backpack, and whether that smaller backpack could be like your everyday carry during your trip, and the larger, cheaper backpack, for example, the IKEA backpack, could be the one that would carry you to the destination. So it's going to be an interesting video, and I'm looking forward to sharing that one with you soon. As I also keep mentioning, I do have a couple more pants comparisons and clothing comparison videos coming up as well. So I did just want to finally talk about the M1 chip that Apple announced today. So they're going to be transitioning their MacBook laptops to an M1 ARM chip. And this is interesting because it means that the new MacBook laptops are going to be really powerful and really good for traveling. So of those, they announced the new MacBook Air and a new MacBook Pro with this chip in it. And I've been considering upgrading my 2017 MacBook Pro, which is still powerful enough, but the fan does get annoying, and the new MacBook Air that they announced doesn't have a fan in it, but it still promises to be very powerful. So this chip is similar, but a little bit more powerful than the chip in the iPad Pro, and it has a nice keyboard and everything like that. So in theory, it sounds like a really good laptop for traveling, although unfortunately the weight of the laptop isn't actually much lighter than the current model version. But it will be very interesting to check it out, and I'm wondering whether you'd be interested in seeing a review of that one. So do let me know in the comments if you are, and be sure to subscribe to keep up to date with future videos, and I'll see you in the next one.